And in this video I'm going to show you how to block any number in Truecaller. So if someone bothering you by just call or message, so you can easily block any number by using Truecaller. So if you want to block any number, just tap and hold number here, and you will see the circular option on the top. Just tap on it, and there you will see the option, was this a business or a personal number. You can easily select business or personal. By default it's automatically set to business. So if you want to block this number, just tap block, and you will see this. Also block messages from e-cart delivery, just click block, and that's it. In this way you can easily block any number on Truecaller. Also you have another option to block any number. So if you want to see details, just tap the profile picture icon here, and you will see the details here. The business name or person name details here will be show. So if you want to block, just tap block option and then click block on the bottom side. In this way you can easily block any number here by using Truecaller. So hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.